So in order to create a synastry chart, here's what you do. You want to go to astro.com. That's the website here. This is a free website. You don't have to pay, but you might have to create an account. And then you'll need the birth information for whoever it is that you want to pull up those charts for. So we're going to click on the hamburger menu here to the left. And once we click on that, we're going to go to the drop down that says free horoscopes. Then we're going to go to horoscope drawings and data, extended chart selection. Okay, now you can see where it says chart type. We want to click on this menu and we're going to pick the option that says Synastry Chart 2. So we click that and then we can choose the 2 people. Now I have a whole bunch of people in here already, but if you don't have those people, then you'll need to add some, whoever it is that you're looking to make the chart for. And I have got Barack Obama here, and then I put in Michelle Obama. Now I didn't know Michelle's birth time. It doesn't seem to be publicly available. So I think I chose 7 a.m., which puts her son in the first house, which is sort of a convenient thing to do when you don't know somebody's time. All right, now then you have some options for the chart drawing style. You can go with a simple web default style. And then this date is if you want to have transits to the chart and show where the planets are on a certain day relative to the chart. I'm just going to leave that as it is right now. And then you just click show the chart and it should pull up. And then here we go. This is a synastry chart. So on the inside, you can see we have, it says Barack Obama. That's the inner ring here. And that's his natal chart. And then comparison with Michelle Obama. So she's on the outer ring right here. And basically all of her planets have been shifted a bit to show how they line up with his. And then at the edge, we can see all of the signs. I have the decans and the bounds in here, which you may or may not want to use. But this shows us how the energies sort of go together in their relationship. So red lines show when their 2 planets are opposite, 180 degrees, or at 90 degrees. And those are usually aspects with some tension or some conflict. They're good because as you overcome them, you grow together as a couple. The blue lines show where their planets or placements are 60 degrees or 120 degrees, and those are usually easier angles where there's more flow. 60 degrees is a learning opportunity. The yellow is an inconjunct, and it shows where the planets really sort of have like a blind spot. And then the green is like a quincunx, and it's sort of like a creativity angle. And then if you want to try different styles, you can go back to chart selection. I happen to like Arabic points because it gives you a lot of information. You can change the house system. You can add extra options. So there's a lot of other stuff you can do. You can see if I do these Arabic points charts, I'm now going to get more lines because it has things like the lot of fortune, the lot of victory. Here's a spot where Michelle's lot of victory and Barack's lot of spirit overlap, and that's a real compatibility point for them. So I hope this is helpful. And if you're interested in this, you can come check out my Patreon if this is after March of 2025, where we talk a lot more about synastry and how it can help your relationships, both romantic relationships, also relationships with kids, coworkers, your job, all kinds of stuff. So if you liked this, feel free to subscribe because more videos are on the way. How do I get it to stop recording?